So in today's video I'm going to tell you about how can you prepare for your class 10 board exam term 1. So yeah, let's start with the strategy. I'm going to share strategy plus books. Let's start with the strategy, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the math strategy. You can apply it for your science as well as SST as well as English. So let's start with the maths. So in maths there are 8 chapters coming in our term 1, and out of it I have done only 3 chapters. I have divided these 8 chapters in two categories. One is easy and one is lengthy, and there are 4 chapters in easy and 4 chapters in lengthy, and from that I have done polynomials and linear equation, and from easy I have done only real numbers. And we don't have to worry about these 5 chapters because we have 3 months and we can complete it in the mid of the September, and you just need to study maths only 2 hours in a day. Now the question is how many days you're going to give easy chapter and how many days you're going to give lengthy chapters. You're going to give each chapter 4 days and each lengthy chapter 7 days, means a week. And if for some reason you have to skip 2 hours of maths, then keep it in the Sunday tasks. And be regular, there is no need to panic that there are 5 chapters left. That's why I hardly recommend you to be consistent and we can make it together. Let's talk about other subject as well. And for science, you're going to give 5 hours, 2 hours physics, 2 hours chemistry, and 1 hour bio because we have already done life process. Let's talk about the syllabus of science. There are 6 chapters total, and I have completed 3 chapters, and I'm left with 3 chapters, 2 from physics and 1 from chemistry. And I'm saying it now also, be consistent, don't skip your any of the tasks. And the same step or strategy you're going to apply for SST, Hindi, English as well. And you don't have to give 2 hours for subjects like these SST, Hindi or English. You just have to give 1 hour, or if you're left with more of the syllabus, then you can give 2 hours. And yeah, here are strategy overs. Let's talk about the books you're going to use. So here's the book you're going to use for your objective type exams. I also received these books now only, and I'm going to open it in front of you and going to tell you what kind of book I'm talking about. And the book which I'm talking about contain 100 plus MCQs in it. And this box contain only 4 books: math, science, SST and English. So without wasting time, let's just open this box. So here are these 4 books. First is math, then science, then social science, then English. And at the top of the books, they are written over 100 plus MCQs in each chapters. And they are made under the guidance of CBSE, and it contain assertion reasoning question and of course MCQs and source based question as well. And I hardly recommend you, if you want to score above 95 percentage, then you need to buy these books because it contain MCQs, assertions as I told you. And these books are only for term 1, and if you have books of EduCard, then you don't need to buy these books, and if you don't have, then you need to buy these books. So first let's talk about science book. It contain over 100 plus MCQs and it is on the reduced syllabus, highly made under the guidance of CBSE, and it contains source based question as well. And this book contains topic notes as well. And in math, it contains assertion reasoning question too, because most of you find assertion reasoning questions are difficult, so you need to buy these books for some practice. And if you got any problem, then there is a code, you can scan it and you can play that video. This is the science book and it also contain a one shot video. You can scan this code and you can reach to that video. and it also contains characteristics in brief. However, this part of the book is not going to come, but still it is given, so you can write one word answers as well. And now social science, it contain map based question also, and it is really exciting thing that it also contain map based question. It is on reduced syllabus, and all the books contain topic notes with it. And as you can see, it contain picture based question as well. So yeah, that is all about the book, and if you want to order, then link in description box, and buy it soon because this is now has reduced from 600 rupees to 500 rupees. Before the amount increase, buy it immediately. And you don't need to worry about the syllabus because all the deleted portion has been cutted already. And except these four books, if you want Hindi as well, then you just need to click the link in description. The second book which I'm talking about are these two. This is of mathematics and science only. These are the NCERT exemplars, and these are really helpful because most of the question in my product test I got from this book only. I may put the link in description box, but don't forget to buy those books because they are really helpful. They contain over 100 plus MCQs, assertion reasoning question, as well as source based questions. And one more thing, guys, you need to be clear about your syllabus as well. So, I have given all the 5 PDF in the description box. So, please check out those two. So, yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. And if you liked my strategy as well as the book which I told you to order, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and we'll meet you in the next video.